Hello everyone, welcome back to YAJE'S Garden. YAJE here with another gardening video. I am so excited to share with you today's video because I am going to be sharing with you that I successfully cultivated a vegetable known locally as Nkwi. I'm going to put the botanical name somewhere here in my garden here in Houston, Texas, in the United States of America. Now, this vegetable is one that is near and dear to my heart because it is one that has cultural significance. It's one that connects me right back to my roots. If you are from the northwest region of Cameroon, maybe the western region, or from Cameroon, you might be familiar with Nkwi. You know, it is that vegetable that produces this slimy substance. It's extracted from the bark, and then you mix it with a bunch of spices, and then you eat it. Now, it connects me back to my roots because I think most of us can remember how our grandmothers fed us the Nkwi soup growing up. Anyway, so I successfully grew Nkwi in this backyard, and I'm going to share with you how I got that done and also share with you a recipe how we cook the Nkwi with the help of a ngwagu. Ngwagu is the word for the bride. Okay, so I had someone come help me cook the Nkwi. So if you would like to see how I grew the Nkwi and how we cooked it our way, then stay tuned. Now let's get started. Now, before I share with you how I grew the Nkwi and the recipe, I just wanted to talk about some of the cultural significance and some of the benefits of growing Nkwi in your garden. What I have learned is that they feed the Nkwi soup, the soup made out of the Nkwi plant, to postpartum mothers, especially mothers that have just given birth. They feed the Nkwi soup to them, and the claim is that it helps to cleanse their system, it cleanses the womb. I don't know how it does it, but that is the belief. Also, when you are sick and you do not have like an appetite, they usually feed you with Nkwi because the spices that they use to cook Nkwi is extremely like flavorful, and it will make you eat even when you do not have an appetite. And something that I just learned when I was editing this video and doing a little bit of research, I watched a Farmer Tanto's video. He's in Cameroon. He's an environmental activist. I watched his video talking about Nkwi, and he shared something that I was like, now I'm gonna grow Nkwi all over my garden. Even if I don't want to eat the Nkwi soup, I will grow Nkwi for this reason. And he said in his video that the Nkwi plant helps to repel ants in the garden. Hello. When you plant the Nkwi in your garden, it helps to repel ants. I'm going to put the link to his video in the description box. You can check out his channel. Farmer Tanto is an environmental activist based in Cameroon. He has done a lot of work. Check out his channel. You will enjoy what he is doing. So yeah, if you do not enjoy eating the Nkwi soup, you can still grow Nkwi in your garden for that benefit of it serving as a natural ant repellent in the garden. Now let's get into the video. As far as I know, Nkwi can be propagated from the stems. That is vegetative propagation. If you're wondering where I got the stems from, they came from Cameroon. I didn't know anyone that had successfully done this out here in the USA, so I got the stems from Cameroon in January. It was very cold, so I had to do the planting indoors using potting soil mix, and then later took them out to the greenhouse. Today is February the 23rd, and this is how the Nkwi is looking like. As you can see, it's doing very well. It was growing indoors for a couple of weeks, and then I moved the container out here to my greenhouse. So today I'm going to remove some of the stems from here and put them in a grow bag into a bigger container. I think I will remove like maybe 1, 2, 3 and put in that grow bag, that fabric bag over there by the end of the greenhouse. Soil from last season in here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and soften it a little. Now let me show you the Nkwi. The Nkwi, if you are from Cameroon, from the northwest or western region, you should recognize this plant right here. So I successfully cultivated the Nkwi plant in my garden. I think it is more than ready for harvesting. So for the Nkwi plant, they eat the bark, what is it? The bark of the stems. That's what it's called, right? You peel this right here, and then you mix it with water and extract some thick, very viscous, slimy substance, mucilaginous. I think that will be the word. You mix it with some spices from the African rainforest, and it makes this thick soup that you eat with fufu. So I've been wanting to grow the Nkwi plant, and I think I successfully grew it this year. This is Nkwi from a stem via stem propagation. I brought the stem from Cameroon back in January. I nursed it and nurtured it, and this is what we have 9 months later. Nkwi plants, ladies and gentlemen. The Nkwi plant tribe. All right, tribe, we're out here to harvest the Nkwi. This is the Nkwi plant. It's been exactly 1 year, and we're doing the very first harvest of this Nkwi. I'm going to put the biological name somewhere on the screen, but I'm so excited because I finally successfully cultivated Nkwi in America. So guys, this is fresh Nkwi. I have Ngwagu here helping me to harvest because I don't know the first thing to do with Nkwi. So she's here to help me harvest and cook the Nkwi. So guys, I'm going to take you through the entire process, farm to table. So we're gonna be cooking Nkwi today. I'm so excited. Ooh. Okay, so apparently some of it, okay, so it found it's rooting. The stem can then just root, I guess. So that's like new Nkwi trying to grow. Look at that. Okay. It's interesting. This is a lot of Nkwi, right? So how can one preserve the stems if you don't want? Wait, let me ask. Without you cutting the roots like that, I can replant that, right? Don't destroy the roots yet. Yeah, because I might want to prune that and plant again and grow somewhere for next year. Yeah, so we'll cut it right here, so that the part that is rooting, I'm going to plant this. Yes, so yeah, I'll plant that indoors in containers. So next year, I'll keep all the plants all the parts that I can keep. Yeah. So yeah, tribe, if you've been looking for Nkwi to grow, we now have Nkwi stems in the USA. Let me know if you would like to grow some. I would love to send some to you for you to grow in your backyard as well, so that we can enjoy some of this special vegetable. This special vegetable, the leaves are okay. No, the leaves are not edible. It's just the yeah. I don't think the leaves are edible. Somebody asked me, but I don't think it goes back in the garden. Yes. So yeah, the leaves are not edible. I don't think so. But if you know what to do with the leaves, let us know. If they are edible, let us know. But for now, we'll just throw it away. We'll just throw it away. So keep watching. We'll share with you how to prepare the nkwi, how to cook the nkwi soup. I'll tell you more about it as we cook it. And then also show you how I plan to continue to propagate this and show you how I got the nkwi to grow in the first place. Yep. Yes. So that one goes back. It will not grow, right? It's too young. It can grow. Okay. Anyone that can grow, I'm gonna know. I will not throw it away. Okay. Anyone that can grow, I will. Yeah. Anyone that can grow, I will take it indoors and try to grow it. Yeah. After 2 attempts, I finally succeeded in growing nkwi in the USA. It breaks quite easily. I did not know. I thought you needed like a knife or something. Okay. And that's a lot of nkwi.
It's a lot.
Okay. Okay, so I have this lady helping me, our ngwagu. With nkwi, you really have to put hygiene first because you have to use your hands a lot. So thoroughly wash the nkwi. And then she is warming the nkwi to make peeling of the bark easier to facilitate that. But we were struggling with my nkwi to remove the bark, and she explained to me that the reason is because my stems are not mature enough. That with the mature stems, it is easier to peel the bark. But something I also learned later on is that we could have used some kind of like a stone to hit the the stems, and it will be easier to remove the bark that way. Anyway, so she put some kangwa, some limestone in water, and then cooked the nkwi, the stem, not the stems, the barks in there for about 15 minutes. Meanwhile, she's now telling me the spices that we use to cook the nkwi. Out here, we just get the spice mix. Somebody prepares it in Cameroon, and then we carry along. But the main ingredient in there is country onion. In Limbum, we call it mru. I think there's black pepper in there. I don't know what else, but yeah, the bunkwi, the spice mix is extremely flavorful. So yeah, guys, you also want to add pepper, a lot of pepper, dry pepper, some salt, and some Maggi cubes as well. We just add and taste and eyeball everything. We know how it should taste like. We don't know how much we use, but we just know that you should achieve this taste when you're done with it. So it's something you learn with. All right, people. So this is the extraction process. Yes, you have to use your hands, and so hygiene is key. You thoroughly have to wash your hands before doing this. So she keeps working on it, grabbing it and releasing it to extract that slimy, that mucilaginous substance from the nkwi. Some people don't like to eat nkwi for this very reason. Like people use their hands, but my opinion, every woman use their hands in the kitchen. If you cook, you have to use your hands. So you just need to trust that the cook practices good hygiene. Okay? So she's extracting it in cold water. Well, look, cold water, I want to say. Yeah. So she keeps working on it. You get as much of this slime. And then that's what is going to be seasoned with the spices from the African tropical forest. And we eat this with fufu. Okay.
Since the tree was not really mature.
Oh, okay. So usually, how long do they grow the nkwi for before you harvest?
I don't have an idea.
Because I say it's 1 year, but really, technically, it's been like 9 months.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's just that when the stems are mature,
Uh-huh.
that's what I know.
Okay.
I can go and harvest.
Yeah, we had to harvest today because of the cold front that's coming. Well, this is more. Charles, you fair. I hear that they give Nkwi or I know that they feed women that have just given birth Nkwi. Why? But they claim that it cleans their wombs. I don't know how it does that, but in some cultures, the first thing that the woman eats after giving birth is Nkwi. I need to look into that. But that's the cultural significance of this Nkwi. They feed it to postpartum women as soon as you give birth.
Now, since it was difficult to peel it from the stems,
It will have a lot of the little things in there.
I use a knife, so you can use a colander.
To strain it. Okay. All right. This is called, what is this now? Mixing the Nkwi. You don't already strain it?
Yes.
Okay. So she strained it because it had those particles in it. So it's now very uniform. Look at that red color. That bright red color. This is the finished product. The Nkwi soup. So it's eaten cold. It's a cold soup. It's vegetarian, it's vegan, there's no meat or any meat product in it. So this is enjoyed with fufu. It's time to serve the Nkwi. Oh. If you're not careful, the entire thing can just... Perfect. All right. Let me just encourage you to grow whatever vegetable that you connect to. Do not let the climate, the weather discourage you. You never know. Some of these African vegetables are extremely resilient and they would survive in climates that you would not even imagine. So just try. You never know. If you don't succeed at first, you will learn and then you figure out a way to make it work. Thank you so much for watching. If this video inspired you or added any value to you, do not forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to join the tribe. Share my videos with whoever you think might benefit. I'll catch you in my next video. But before then, grow a garden, because when you grow a garden, you grow health. Bye.